Hi, welcome to Tea with Jann. I am Jann. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new here, welcome. We chat about all things tea related, and I especially love antique teaware. So if that's your thing, please hit subscribe now and follow along. We are going to open this box together, and I cannot wait to tell you guys what's in it. And there might be a little giveaway. Look at how adorable it is packaged. I love unicorns, and this is a unicorn on a bicycle. I love it. We're getting into it. Okay, so you might be like, Jann, what the frig are you unboxing? There is a mother-daughter duo out in the world of the interwebs that reached out to me, PM Artist Studio. And the P is for Patricia and the M is for Mariah, and they are a mother-daughter. They are adorable. And they reached out and asked if I would be interested in one of their handmade cards. Like, I can't wait. Okay. Look at how stinking adorable that is. This is so cute. Oh my gracious. So packaged with care. I love this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first, I mean, turquoise and pink. I love those colors. And then they stamped their tissue paper. Adorable. So PM Artist Studios. I can't wait to show you guys. Oh, the colors. I love, I love, I love. A gift for you, Jann. Look at that. Like the care that is taken with everything. These ladies know what they're doing. Oh my gracious. The back of it is all designed. Okay, I just need to get it out so I can actually... Oh my god! Oh, dearie me. I'm way too excited. So they showed me a photo of what it looked like, and I cannot wait to share with you guys this amazing custom card. It is even better in real life. Oh my goodness. You guys, I just need a minute. Just give me a second. Let's just soak this in. Like, this is adorable. Oh my gosh. The attention to detail is crazy. Jann, we are sending this card in anticipation of a beautiful blend of the things we love, cards and tea, becoming a friendship over the World Wide Web. Also, we included the note as an insert and a picture of the card to keep, just in case you would like to use it to send to someone special. Thank you in advance, Mariah and Patricia. So adorable. Okay, you guys, and like right down to the envelope. Okay, so first, like, okay. And then we have these. I'm way too excited. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about what they do. It is amazing. So Patricia is the mother and Mariah is the daughter. And they kind of like meld these two worlds together in an artistic form. It's so beautiful and so wonderful. So if you look closely, you can see that this teapot has like patterns, different patterns and stuff. And Patricia actually goes and makes the patterns either with her stamps or with her drawings and stuff. And then Mariah puts it into the computer and makes it like all digital, and she can like do different layers and stuff with it. Then they actually like, look at that. Like it's printed out onto different paper. Like this is so adorable. And I'm told that the roses in certain areas, the pattern of roses, is actually a this here little tea bag is actually constructed from a real tea bag that they emptied, and then they put little glittery stuff and little shakery stuff in it. It is so adorable. Every little detail is amazing. Let's have tea. And it's all like poofy. And so here's a trick that you might not have known about me. I used to adore scrapbooking, like adore it. Like I was huge into scrapbooking. So I can appreciate and I understand the amount of time and effort that something like this would take. Just incredible. It's very much like an art form here. And what they're doing is like miles beyond what I've ever done. If I can, I will show you a clip of one of my old scrapbooking. This is so adorable. I love it. I love it. I love it. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. Let's have tea. So amazing. I love like the steam coming off of the cup and oh, all the little detail, right? The little lemons. And I love that the tea bag, that the tag says PM Artist Studio. It's those little touches. It's so adorable. I love it. And then look at the envelope. The little cupcake on the outside. It's all 3D. It's so cute. I love the patterns. Oh my goodness. So what they did, they actually sell these different kinds of cards and stuff that you can get from them. I'll set that down so it's not crinkly on us. Different cards and stuff like that that you can get, and I'll link everything down below. I would highly recommend that you go check them out. They also do YouTube, and they did a YouTube video about, you know, how they created this card. So I would definitely say go watch that for, you know, the in-depth and understanding what they're doing and stuff. But look at this. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. So it's PM Artist Studio is where you can find them on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Ah, that is so amazing. And look at the envelope. They even put it on the envelope. It is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I am in love with that pattern. Oh, I can't even. So I think that in this time in our lives, I think a lot of us could probably agree that, you know, fun mail is, you know, what we're all craving and what we all need right now. And I have some cards and I'm going to mail them out. And of course, you know, it wouldn't be tea mail without a little bit of mail included. So if you are interested, check out the information in the description down below, and I'll have a giveaway maybe in a couple different places, and yeah, and we'll have a little bit of good mail going out to different people. So that would be fun, wouldn't it? This is so adorable. I love it. Yes. So the duplicates are like, you know, a digital print of it. But then they have this border, so it's still like, oh, it's so gorgeous. It is just beautiful. They asked me what I wanted on the inside, and I just said blank, because, you know, I like to ramble and yammer on, so I thought that would be so much fun. I am so amazed and so grateful that Mariah reached out to me. Thank you so much. It is so adorable. It is so me. Do you guys agree? Would you guys agree that this card is so me? Let me know in the comments down below. I can't wait to chat with you guys down there. Until next time, take care. Bye. This is so amazing. Thank you guys so much.